Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today is a video on a foundation review. So the foundation that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Molly Complexion Perfection Soft Focus Foundation. So this is a foundation that I purchased from Ulta maybe like a couple months ago, just looking for a new foundation to try something different, and the rep recommended this. So this is a foundation that's actually made by a lady who was J-Lo and Beyonce's personal makeup artist. Now the claims of this foundation is that it's full coverage, but yet it keeps a very natural look, which I believe it's pretty much a natural looking foundation. I've been getting tons of compliments on it. It feels so good on the skin. It's very long wearing. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and my thoughts, extended thoughts on this foundation, then keep on watching. Okay, so I prime my skin using the Scandinavia Primer Spray. And then I just use one pump of the foundation. Well, a little bit more than one pump, but I start off with one pump and I distribute it all over my face before I get started. What that does is keep me from using too much foundation. Because if I just start just blending it all over, I might run out. If you get what I'm saying, when you wear foundation, you might run out on one side and add more. But the problem with that, when you do that, it becomes too heavy throughout the day. So one pump does the trick, you guys. It gives you full coverage. On those areas where I want just a tiny bit more coverage, you're going to see me go back in with a couple of little dots on my finger just to give it a tiny bit more coverage. But I love this stuff because even though it's full coverage, it still gives you a very natural look. So yeah, that's all you need, you guys. Trust me, I think I got the format down. And so I go ahead and highlight using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color medium. By the way, the foundation is in the color rich, you guys. It's in the color rich. I'm glad that I ran across that rep at Ulta that recommended this foundation, because I've been wearing it almost every day since I got it, and it's been, like I said, about a month or two, almost pretty much 2 months, I think. So now I'm doing some cream contouring using the Iman foundation stick in the color Earth 4, kind of blending out the nose area with my finger because it's a very dry product and I feel like it works better with my finger. But the rest of it, I go ahead and use a brush, setting my highlight with air spun loose powder. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows using the Milani Brow Tint pen in the color 01 Taupe. Okay, you guys, I didn't want to bore you with my same old routine. I basically just set my face using the Laura Mercier loose powder. This one is the translucent medium deep, the colored one. And I contoured and highlighted using the same old Black Radiance contour palette that I use all the time. It is awesome, you guys. So yeah, that's what I did. So it is now 9:23 a.m. you guys. I have a full day jam-packed full of stuff to do. So I'm going to come back later on this evening to show you my final thoughts and to show you guys how my face looks. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I don't touch up during the day. I don't put powder in my purse. I usually don't even have lip gloss in my bag with me. The most I'll do is blot a little bit. I have normal skin. It's not really oily or anything, just pretty much normal. So I'll come back and show you guys the final thoughts. Hey y'all, I am back and it is now 8:36 p.m. So it is like, what, about 11 hours later? Y'all, I'm so tired. I'm sorry if I feel embarrassed because I'm so tired. I feel like I can't even look at you. Y'all, this has been like a jam-packed day, running errands all day, clients, the hot Houston heat, sweating. And so this is what the makeup looks like. I think I did my makeup at like 9 this morning or something. So like I said, it's about 8:36 p.m. now. As you can see, I have like, it's kind of separating the highlight here. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's just a little bit of breaking up. The fine lines you can kind of really see. and a little bit of breaking up around the nose. Not really much breaking up around the mouth, which I usually get after about 12 to 14 hours or so. So just a little bit around the nose area, and then like that fine line is really coming through across the forehead area. Other than that, y'all, I have not blotted today, not even one time at all, which I hardly ever. I might blot a little bit. I never touch up my makeup or anything. I just reapplied a little bit of lipstick just for this little part of the video, but that's it, y'all. I've been really enjoying this foundation. I feel like it lasts pretty good throughout the day. If you're a person with oily skin, I would definitely recommend this for you, only because it's not a matte foundation. It's more of like a satiny natural finish, but it lasts pretty good, as you can tell. I have pretty much normal to combination skin, but if you're oily, I would just use a primer that's for oily skin, like the Becca primer or something like that, to control the oil, and you will be good to go with this foundation if you like how it looks, you guys. Like I said, I've been wearing it for a couple months and I am enjoying this foundation. So yeah, so that's it, you guys. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.